Hey loves, Jessica here. Welcome to another video. In this one, I'm gonna show you guys how we moved from this dry, crusty, unappetizing, unpleasantly looking feet to this delicious, scrumptious, soft feet, guys. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, darling, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So loves, for the first ingredient we need sea salt. This sea salt I got back from home, and by home I mean Cameroon, guys. This has lemon extract, and you can literally use any sea salt of your choice. There's no specific kind of sea salt that is recommended for this procedure. You can just use any sea salt of your choice, guys. So I get a handful of that sea salt and I put in my hot water. Guys, you want to make sure that water is very hot, especially if you don't have at home food spa, because obviously your water will get cold as the process goes on. Our next ingredient, I'm just going in with the dark apple cider vinegar with the mother. Guys, I highly recommend this brand because it's very organic and it still has the organic properties in it. So you want to make sure that before you use, you shake it properly so that it really comes to a nice mix. And you can just go in with any quantity of your choice, but for me in this video I went in with 3 tablespoons of it and I just put in my water. So guys, now is soaking time. I'm just gonna soak my feet in this water. Guys, make sure that the water temperature is appropriate for you to soak your feet in it. Okay, don't go burn yourself like the way I'm trying to do here, because my water was still very hot and I was trying to put my feet in it so badly. So the water has now come to a temperature where I can literally soak my feet. So I'm just going to soak my feet in it for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how long and how much time I have, and also how effective I want my procedure to be. So I'm just soaking my feet here and just waiting. Y'all can see how my feet are turning red because the water was literally very hot. So yeah, I did this because I don't have a foot spa, so the water will become cold in the process. That's why I decided to go in with very hot water. And y'all can see that I'm just checking to see how far the process has gone. And yeah guys, you can see some of the dead skin is already coming off. So yeah, do you see that? See that dead skin, guys? Right now I'm going in with my scissors. After about 10 minutes, guys, I'm going in with my scissors. I like using my scissors to do this first process because for me I feel like it's more effective and it's more easy to continue with the other equipment when I first of all go in with my scissors and like scrape out all those very hard tissues. You see that? You see that, guys? Yeah, that's why I love using the scissors. So guys, I just went ahead and put some tissue on my carpet, on my rug, because I noticed that my water was dripping on my rug and I didn't want that for myself. So yeah, I'm just going in with my scissors and really scraping out those dead skin out. And you want to make sure you get all the areas of your feet. Okay, don't neglect the toes like you see me doing. Just do it very gently and scrape out all those tissues. So loves, once I'm done with that section, I'm just going to flip my feet over to get the other section, as y'all can see. Just that dead skin. Oh my god, this scissors is very very important at this first step because it really helps to facilitate the filing process. For me, you can use another equipment. There are other things you can use for the beginning, but I really love using the scissors, yo. It's very easy for me. And if you don't have the guts, don't use the scissors. Like I said, I love using the scissors, so it's easy for me to do that. Too much dead skin, yo. These feet are like 2 months old with no pedicure. That's why you see too much dead skin. Disgusting. Yuck. So loves, I'm just going to repeat the same process with the other feet, as you can see. Now that I'm done with the scissors, I'm just going to rinse off my feet. I'm just going in with this file. Yo, this file is two-sided, okay? It has the sharp side and the smooth side. So for now, I'm going in with the sharp side of the file, and I'm just going to use that to file down my feet very nicely. As you can see, I'm just filing all over the feet, inside the toes, not making sure that I get every single angle, guys. You see that still has a lot of dead skin coming out, so and obviously I'm gonna repeat the same process with the other feet. So next, guys, I'm just going in with this sort of rock, this sort of spar rock. It has two sides to it, so I'm going in with that textured side to sort of like scrape my feet, and it helps also to massage the feet. It feels really nice, guys. So yeah, and when I'm done with that, I go back in with my file again to ensure that I smoothen. Now this time around with the soft section though, I go in and make sure I smoothen the feet, smoothen it nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna see that I kind of fast forwarded it on the other feet, but you'll see that with this other feet. So yeah, guys, you can see I went in with that soft section of the file, and now I'm just smoothing out everything, just making sure that everything is nice, smooth and soft. And yeah, guys, so guys, we are literally done with the filing process, and just want to make sure you rinse off your feet. I'm just going in with that nice Vaseline brand right there, Herbalen. You can literally go in with any Vaseline brand of your choice. So I chose that one because I love how very moisturizing it is. And yeah, guys, y'all can see how nice and soft and smooth my feet look. Very delicious, right? Quick recap, guys. We just moved from this dry, crusty, unattractive, uneatable feet, if only that's a word, yo. So guys, we just moved from this dry, crusty, unattractive feet to this soft, nice, delicious, eatable feet, yo. How beautiful my feet look. Like, I just want to fix my nails and like put on a nice pair of slippers and like head out. So that's that about this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.